Does the idea of teaching Pilates mat classes excite you? With just a mat, you can teach anywhere, at the park, from your living room, or in a studio. This is the beauty of Mat Pilates. It's accessible, adaptable, and impactful. If you're new here, my name is Beth. I'm founder of Trifecta Pilates, and I've been teaching for over 20 years. Since 2012, I've exclusively taught Pilates mat classes because it's the best way to bring Pilates to more people. Pilates mat exercises is a combination of grace and strength, classical exercises and non-traditional movements so that you're able to teach foundational level classes all the way to more challenging workouts with equipment and without. What truly inspires our teaching at Trifecta Pilates is the continuous evolution of Mat Pilates. We infuse studio-style Pilates, typically associated with the larger pieces of equipment, into our mat routines. This adds variety while staying true to the Pilates method. It's extremely beneficial, ensuring every session is a unique exploration of movement and mindfulness. If you're interested in becoming a Pilates mat teacher, how do you know if being a Pilates teacher is the right fit? What it's not about is being able to do Pilates exercises perfectly, the most advanced level work, your age, or trying to learn everything before you even enroll in a teacher training program. Being a great Pilates mat teacher starts with enjoying Pilates mat classes and a consistent Pilates practice. It's my recommendation that you move with mat Pilates classes for at least 6 months before enrolling in a teacher training program. If you have a passion for Pilates and uplifting other people, particularly where Pilates studios may be more scarce, then becoming a Pilates mat teacher is tailor-made for you. You'll be bringing Pilates to a wider audience, spreading wellness and fitness, all with your unique style. And if you're currently a fitness instructor, completing a Pilates Mat Teacher Training program is so beneficial to enrich what you're currently doing and to round out your teaching portfolio. If you're ready to pursue Pilates Mat Teacher Training program, the next step is to research the right type of Pilates Mat Teacher Training. The good news is there are a lot of wonderful options available. Alternatively, there are other programs that when people leave them, they just don't feel like they have the skills to be a competent Pilates teacher. This is one of the reasons why the Pilates Method Alliance has set standards for Pilates Mat Teacher Training programs. There were just too many options out there, and still are, that after people complete the training, they don't know proper modifications, how to format a class, or they can't find a job. Here's a brief review of what should be included in your Pilates Mat Teacher Training program at minimum. Lectures including Pilates history, anatomy, special populations, and teaching techniques, including reviewing exercises in details from the primary way to move with an exercise to being able to offer regressions, that is, making an exercise easier, to progressions, making an exercise more challenging. Coupled with this, it's essential that there's an experiential component, including observing Pilates mat classes, dedication to your self-practice, taking Pilates mat classes with other qualified Pilates teachers, and of course, dedicating time to practice teaching. In all, any Pilates mat teacher training program should at minimum be 100 hours. If you're looking into a program that you can complete in a weekend or a few short hours, especially one that doesn't provide any feedback and support as you're going through the material, it's not going to provide you with the knowledge, skills, and time to really go deeper into the Pilates method and hone your skills as a Pilates teacher. Even though these programs can be significantly less expensive, most people who have gone through them immediately feel like they have to go through a more comprehensive Pilates Mat Teacher Training program, which takes more time and money. Being a Pilates teacher isn't about being able to do the exercises perfectly or the most advanced level work. It's about inspiring others to move with Pilates, offering different variations, and overall having an uplifting experience so people come back to your classes time and time again. A thorough training program is key, one that covers essential aspects like anatomy, teaching techniques, and practical experience. Avoid shortcuts with a shorter program or something that's a little bit cheaper, because in the long run, you'll probably be investing more time and money into other training programs. Have a question about becoming a Pilates mat teacher? Leave a comment down below and let's start the conversation about your journey to becoming a Pilates mat teacher.